Hi guys, you're welcome back to Preface Chemical. So guys, we are now consistent on our channel. These are some addictives chemical that are not commonly that are used in paint productions. These chemicals are not locally; these are imported chemical. When you are dealing with paint production, you see the idea of paint production in those days is changing. Technology is advancing things, and as technology is advancing, we have to advance in whatever we are doing. This deformer, it's not like the normal Nigerian deformer that we are using. Some which can using to make. This is an imported deformer. This is a BPG. BPG is a colorsant agent that avoid that makes the paint formulation to hold and doesn't allow cracking of paint. This is EPW. EPW is called fungicide. Fungicide, and you can get it in anywhere they are selling chemicals, but it's one of the most important chemicals when you are dealing with weather sheet exterior paint. You know, when we talk about fungi, mold, and algae growing on the walls, for you to avoid this, you need to always put this in your paint production for your exterior project. This is called fungicide EPW, and at least you need about 1% or 2% of the weight of what is we are producing. And when is this necessary? This is EPW. Let me go about before I talk about when and the quantity will be needed. This is the disperse. This is a dispersing agent. Disperse is a chemical used for blending, for grinding, for blending the pigment. It allows you to achieve like 100% of your pigment during in the production, and is one of the first chemical to be used in paint production. This is an acticide. These are in-can preservatives. This is used as a preservative to prolong the lifespan of our paint in bucket, and it's fight against microorganisms, bacteria that may affect our paint after production in the can in the bucket. And these are wetting agents. Our wetting agents is a liquid that allows the solidification, the other particles, all content in a production process to work as in to bind together. That's one of the advantages of it. And this is Tesanol. Tesanol is a colorsant agent. It is used in the production of mats, it is used in the production of weather sheet, and it is used for satin. In satin, we do say is used as is one of the properties that allow the paint to shine. It's one of the properties, and also the percentage content of your acrylic also determine the shining of your satin paint. So guys, these are addictive chemicals that are used in paint production. That these are imported, not locally made, and they are very, very important. This deformer, the purpose of deformer in your paint production is to anti-foaming agent. It doesn't allow during production when your chemicals are foaming up, the deformer cools down the foaming and allow your paint to stabilize. Then this is BPG. It's also a colorsant agent. It allows your paint to blend together, and it avoids cracking of paint. This is a fungicide, EPW. EPW is a chemical and it's one of the expensive chemicals. At least this is about 8 to 10,000 naira per kg. These are about 4,000 or 5,000 per kg, and these are a fungicide that protects your wall from mold growing, all this growing mold algae from growing on the wall. But it depends on the percentage of acrylic and the percentage of this that is in the paint, not for locally made all this economy paint. Then this is disperse. This disperse is the first chemical you had when blending your titanium, your pigment, any of your pigment it's allow you to achieve the smooth, the finishing blending. I think it allow your chemicals to grind, because it's a chemical that is used for blending, for grinding of our pigment. These are acticides, these are preservatives for for prolonging our paint in the bucket. There's wetting agent, and this thesanol is a colasant agent used in matte production, in weather sheet, in satin paint, and in all these high quality paint. These are colasant agent. So these are chemicals used for producing. These are addictive chemicals used for in production, in modern production. We are talking of in the old production method. We are still using carbon, but some are still using carbon depending on the condition of your water. We have ammonia, we have formalin, we have these are all addictive chemicals that are used in paint production. But when you're going advanced, we have other chemicals like white spirit. We have so many chemicals, and they all have their advantages in paint production. So guys, this is Preface Chemical. We are currently trying to collate things together, and we're going to be giving part to part, and we are going to be doing DIY. If you want our masterclass training, you are going to find him. We are setting up a system such that if you want to do your online training, if you want to do your physical training, we are going to be doing it for you, and I'm going to get back. You can always chat us on 080 64743744, 080 8049 3914, or you can message us to wabililegacy at gmail or prefixchemicals at gmail.com. Thank you, and God bless you.